How to unclog the toilet using baking soda at home. 1. Sometimes when we flush too much toilet paper, the toilet can become blocked. This prevents it from flushing properly and even causes flooding. 2. Today's home remedy is a simple method of unblocking a toilet without the need for harsh chemicals and plungers. Note, this method works on soft blockages only, such as toilet paper and feces. If there is something hard lodged within the toilet, you may need to seek assistance from a plumber. Let's take a look at what you will need. 2 cups of baking soda, 1 bottle of white vinegar, and 2 to 3 litres of hot water. Method: pour the baking powder into the clogged toilet. Mix this using an old wooden spoon or stick. Slowly add the vinegar in small increments. This will begin to fizz and bubble. Don't add the vinegar all at once, as this may cause the water to overflow. Mix this once again and then let it sit in the toilet for 30 minutes. Then pour the hot water into the toilet bowl. This should break up the blockage and allow you to flush the toilet without problems. 3. The baking soda and vinegar mixture can also be used to clean around the toilet bowl to destroy harmful bacteria and odours. 4. The baking soda mixture causes a reaction within the water, which naturally separates and breaks down soft blockages. 5. To learn more about simple home remedies using baking soda and other ingredients, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.